Hi everybody, Vijay Art here, and today this is a package that I got. This is actually a Lego haul for the A330. There are some parts for the Blackbird and the 737. So let's open it. Okay, so let's see what we got. We have these bricks here. Let's see. So we have some of these bricks, the 1x6 green, and we have the I think these are 1x8 gray. These are for my Airbus A330. I'll show you what those are for later. We have these curved slopes for my 737. You know, I never actually finished that plane. This is the finishing touch right here. So let's check out what else we got. Let's see. So here we have some inverted slopes for the bottom of my plane, the Airbus A330. That's gonna be fun. Let's see. We have some hinges here, and slopes for my Blackbird. The hinges are for my plane, but the slopes are for my Blackbird. Here are some plates, 1x12 and I'm not sure. I think it's like 1x12 and 1x14, 2x14. I'm not actually sure. I'll have to check that later. We got a lot of things. We have these plates. These are for I forget what these are for. I'll have to check what those are for later. But we got a bunch of these for some reason. We have these chairs for my next plane actually, which I'm not going to tell you what it is next right now. So yeah, you have to find that out. And then we have these right here. These are inverted slopes. I'm pretty sure nope, these are just inverted slopes for my airplane. Oh yeah, I remember. These are for my roof. I'm actually making, right, that's what these are for. These are for I'm actually installing overhead lockers on my plane, so I'm gonna make those. So that's that. That was more though. There are these curved slopes here. Now these are for the roof of my A330, which is going to be a big project. Yeah, and I'm not talking about my future plane. My future plane is still, you don't know, it's not going to be an A330, just saying. And these for that. I think there might be more in here. No, that's all. Okay, well, that's done. And this is like the order, what I ordered. He sent that. That was nice of him. Okay. Anyway, so now let's see what it's for. So these are gonna go for this plane that I'm still working on over here. You can see the wing layout right there. These are for the overhead lockers. These are for this plane, so that I'm gonna put that right there. This is for also the overhead locker, so I'm gonna put that right there. Actually, this is for the overhead locker, so I go right there. This, I still don't know what this is for. Oh yeah, this is for this plane, the future plane. This is for this over there, that plane. Oops. And this is for the roof of this plane. So, thank you for tuning in, and yeah, bye.